Imagine standing in the grocery aisle, scanning the endless array of nuts, and suddenly, your eyes land on a bag of walnuts. You might think, what's so special about these little brain-shaped wonders? Well, let me tell you, walnuts are not just another nut. They're a powerhouse of nutrition waiting to transform your health. Let's dive into the magic of walnuts. First off, did you know that just a handful of these beauties can deliver a wealth of benefits? Picture this. You're at your desk, feeling that midday slump creeping in. Instead of reaching for that sugary snack bar that will leave you crashing an hour later, grab a handful of walnuts. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain health. That's right. Eating walnuts can actually help boost your cognitive function. You want to think clearer, focus better, and maybe even impress your boss with that presentation? Walnuts have got your back. But wait, there's more. Have you ever heard of antioxidants? Well, walnuts are loaded with them. In fact, they have higher antioxidant levels compared to most other nuts. Antioxidants are like little warriors in your body, fighting off free radicals that can cause inflammation and disease. So, if you're looking to ward off chronic conditions like heart disease or diabetes, incorporating walnuts into your diet can be a game changer. Now, let's talk about heart health. Did you know that heart disease is one of the leading causes of death worldwide? It's a scary statistic, but here's where walnuts come into play. Studies have shown that eating walnuts regularly can help lower bad cholesterol levels and improve your overall heart health. Just a handful a day can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease. So, by simply snacking on these delicious nuts, you're not just indulging your taste buds, you're investing in a healthier, longer life. And what about weight management? I know what you're thinking. Nuts are high in calories. How can they possibly help me lose weight? Well, here's the secret. Walnuts are incredibly satisfying. Their healthy fats and protein content keep you feeling full longer, which means you're less likely to reach for those empty-calorie snacks later. It's all about balance. If you're looking to shed a few pounds or maintain a healthy weight, walnuts can be your best friend. They're a nutrient-dense food that can help curb your cravings while providing essential nutrients. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to incorporate walnuts into your daily routine. It's easier than you think. Toss them into your morning oatmeal or yogurt for a delicious crunch. Sprinkle them over your salads for an added texture and flavor. You can even blend them into smoothies for an extra boost of nutrition. The possibilities are endless. Are you ready for the best part? Walnuts are not just good for you, they're also incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them raw, roasted, or even as walnut butter. Yes, you heard that right. Walnut butter is a creamy, dreamy alternative to peanut butter, packed with flavor and nutrition. Spread it on whole grain toast or use it as a dip for your apple slices. So, if you're looking to elevate your health game and make a simple yet impactful change to your diet, it's time to embrace walnuts. They're more than just a snack. They're a key ingredient in the recipe for a vibrant, healthy life. So next time you're at the store, don't overlook those little brain-shaped gems. Grab a bag and join the walnut revolution. Your body and mind will thank you for it.